survival games. And if you guys can hear the sound, that's my mom cooking, so yeah. And here's my sister Doggy. Say hello.
Hi.
You can hear that much. And I know we sound weird. So yeah, let's move on. Come on, Fatima. Survival game. Oh god, you just teleported. Oh, I stepped on that redstone thing, but it didn't work. I mean that redstone block.
Alaskan Village.
Oh, I like that one. So, of course we're teaming, right? Yeah, you couldn't hear that much. But we're pretty far away from each other. Samma, come here!
I'm eating.
Don't you mean drinking? Eating slash drinking, okay. Yeah, the other team is... Let's do a round of us not teaming.
No.
Dude, I'm a cool redstone guy. And you can see I'm recording it by Mobazine. Or Mobazen or whatever. So it's already been 1 minute 15 seconds. I don't want to ruin this moment right now. I'm following that gravel path. I'm sorry, I can't say anything. I really want to become a place.
Are we still teaming?
Yeah, of course we're teaming. Sarah. No way that's Vanda's Gaming. Vanda's Gaming is not Captain Sparkle. Okay. You're not Captain Sparkles. Sparkles. I can't say anything. No one likes you, Bella Lover. I hate you. No, I like Bella and the Bulldogs. The scene that's me. Yay! I'll put it at the bottom. Right. Oh no, it's kind of not right. So I'm going to put it right there. There we go. I'll just put it down. Why? I mean 8. Why am I such a loser? Ooh, wait a second. Dude, I'm pretty sure I can check it. I took someone's chest. But I'm getting out of here. Straight up noggin. Okay, I have a weapon. Why am I taking these mushrooms? I don't need mushrooms. I just need the weapon and the armor. Do you have a weapon?
Yeah.
What?
A stone sword.
I have a stone axe. I can axe you a question. Shape of melon. That's what the house is called. Oh yeah, plus we forgot to mention, if you guys don't know what survival games is, it's basically a game where you gotta fight to the death.
And I killed someone.
Oh yeah, I see it on the list. And Doggy killed by Akpop, killed by Doggy420. Yeah, that's your name, of course. You guys should watch the first video first. It's just called the first video first. Yeah, it's just called the new channel. So yeah, you guys should watch that. And if you guys don't know what survival games is, I'm mentioning it again. It's basically where you gotta fight to the death.
I have 7 bars of armor. Woohoo!
Me too.
Anybody want to fight me? I have 2 different kinds of swords also. So.
What
And
type
I have
sword?
3 irons. So.
Dude, I have stick. Oh, there's a chest right there. Please include iron. Some said hacker. I don't know.
Probably to me, because I am a hacker.
Let me see what type of armor I have. Ooh. Okay. So now 7 bars of armor. Yay! But I equipped I can't even say it. I equipped an iron iron helmet. Not I equipped an iron helmet. I don't know why I need iron for, but
Does
it's
anyone
cool.
have a crafting table anywhere?
Yeah. Hey, I found tons of houses and chests full of nothing. Just junk. But I'm collecting the junk to see what type of armor I have. Junk wins! Ah! Okay, that's weird. Dude, what's cooking? Nothing. They should really do a sneaky tactic to put like some items in the furnaces. That would be a sneaky tactic. So that's what I say. Ha 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 ha. Why is another floor? What? Too many floors in this house. Oh my god. And in the last floor, of course I find something. Ah! I went up here for just one chest. Oh, don't die.
That's not me. I killed him.
Woohoo!
Yeah,
Doggy
woo,
420 is
guys.
on the roll. It's on a roll. Great. All chests have been refilled. Okay. Hey, there's a double chest in here. It's acting weird on my screen. What is that? See what's in the other chest.
How many survivors, please?
What?
8 survivors.
8? Seriously, 8? 8? What? No way!
I know.
Oh god, the stairs. The stairs are decapitating me. Okay. So let's do this. Hey, I see a chest at the mid. My inventory is full,
9 too.
and I have no good
I
armor.
have full iron armor except for my head piece.
I have full iron armor except for my chest piece. People are on there. People on here. Wait, that sounded freaky. That's the sound of me dying. That's the sound of me killing someone.
Oh,
I'm gonna throw out the stuff that I don't need.
same.
Oh, I might need. Okay, no. Okay. I need the iron ingot. Oh
I
yeah,
need a stick.
I got 6.
Hintay ko rin mo diri das eh.
Full iron armor.
I need the iron chest plate. Okay, no. Iron. Dude, I need this iron chest plate. Dude, I don't need iron leggings.
I really want a bucket or a flint and steel. Okay, during the deathmatch, I'm the person that has full iron armor.
Dude, I need to find a crafting table. Dude, I can craft an iron sword.
Oh no, the iron gates.
Wow.
How do I enter?
Ooh! God.
How many minutes till deathmatch? 2. Okay.
Oh God. I have full iron armor too. Let's move on. Every house should have a crafting table. Do you agree with me? Every house should have a crafting table.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I lost tons of hearts. Oh yeah, for killing that person. You can actually eat food in
No
Minecraft.
flint
You
and
eat.
steel yet.
Wait, do I have flint steel? No. Flint steel. No, it stopped my Minecraft Pocket Edition. Okay, we'll see you later, guys.
Costume.
Sorry.